Probably wouldn't be where I'm at today if it wasn't for Ruben and this class. I mean, it's gave me all the knowledge that I have to be able to go out there and have confidence in my work and know that I'm going to do the job correctly. And
I'm Thomas. I live in Arizona right now, but I'm relocating to California. I'm here because I want to open my own business.
my name is Ruben Coronado. I'm from Dalhart, Texas, and I'm here for the Tint training course. So this is my third time back to Right Look. First time I came for ceramic coating and detailing, came back for the wrap class, and now I'm back for the training, for the tint training.
I got 10 years in the Army, and then outside of that, I've been doing sales. I love sales. I just want to do it for myself versus doing it for somebody else. So I knew that I love cars. I always get window tint done on my cars, so I figured it's a good starting point.
I get a lot of customers in for detailing, wrap and stuff, and they would just ask me, hey, you do tinting too? And I'd be like, no, I will be going to tint training soon. And I finally just got the money together and came over here.
You're definitely taking in a lot. I mean, the learning curve is fast, but it was just a overall good experience from learning what the tint does, why we choose certain tints, as the actual film, and then the process and putting it on the car and how to correct it if you make any errors. So it was just an overall cool experience.
I was kind of nervous a little bit about tinting just because I viewed guys that have worked with me and told me it's hard and stuff, but came in here, Ruben showed me how to do it, and I think it's a little easier than wrapping PPF actually, so I feel really confident going back.
What it was like is it gets better as it goes. Like at first, the cuts are real jagged, you start questioning yourself, but as time goes with repetition, just continually doing it over and over and over and over and over and over, it helps. It makes it where you feel more confident to where, like, I can remember the first day, I was sweating a lot, like mentally, just like, man, I don't know. Like this is a little technical. But by the second day after I slept on it, I was like, oh, it's simple. You just follow the steps and just follow the steps again, and then it's easy.
It was a small class, you know, partnered up one guy, so it makes it easy to be able to learn every detail of the process correctly and have that confidence to do it once we get back. I definitely really like this class and the way Ruben teaches.
Oh, it benefited because we're all on a clean slate. We all came here for the same reason, same probably motivation. Like we all, at certain points, you could see we were a little stressed because we're like, it's something new, but seeing us all kind of progress, like it helps me out because I'm like, okay, I got it, now he got it, okay, we're all good now. For me, it was like really breaking it down like at each point, so I knew if I did do an error, how to correct it. And having the instructor right there, like, here it's a small classroom, so it's not a million people in here with you, so the instructor's able to move around, and if I need help, I can raise my hand and say, hey, I got a bubble right here that I can't seem to fix. And it's nice because it's very one-on-one. I mean, even though there's like 5, 6 of us in here, you still feel like you're the only student at each time. So, and then just talking to Ruben, hearing about, you know, his business experience and how it translates to this, it gives me something to strive for, you know, in my own way. So, like, it's nice to see someone who's been there, done that, and them showing you the correct way.
Probably wouldn't be where I'm at today if it wasn't for Ruben and this class. I mean, it's gave me all the knowledge that I have to be able to go out there and have confidence in my work and know that I'm going to do the job correctly, and that he's definitely a businessman when he's speaking, and that he's got a lot of experience. So it gives me the confidence, you know, to be able to speak to my customers the way he comes off speaking to us. So
with Ruben, with him doing a business before, with him knowing the inside of it, he can break down pricing. And that's something that I was impressed with the program. Like, we broke down pricing of our supplies so I could figure out what my bottom line is. I could figure out what my break even is and how I'm gonna profit from this. So for me, it gave me a lot of structure and like how to price things and how to plan for the future.
I say, do it, man. Don't hesitate about doing it. Just come down here, get the knowledge, and you'll see you put that knowledge into practice, you'll succeed.
I would say, if anything, just bet on yourself and, you know, definitely invest in yourself. I'm so happy that I invested in myself and did this, and I think it was the best investment.